Okay, hi. I just learned that we could have math type in Google Docs, so I just thought I'd shoot you guys a video on how to do it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it for the first time. So you are going to go into Google Docs, and once you select a document, you go up to the top where it says Add-ons, which is at the top of your screen, and you are going to say Get Add-ons, and on the right it says Search Add-ons, and you're going to search Math Type. Math Type. And when you search Math Type, you're going to say plus for free. Now, right now it's free, but they're going to start to charge, but we might as well use it while we can. And I'm going to choose My Account. And Allow. And now I have Math Type as one of my tools. And so if I wanted to use it, I can go down to Equation Editor and use it. And actually they show you how you can learn more and write an equation. It shows you actually how to edit it. So I'm not actually going to go through showing you how to do it because you can learn on your own. So I'm going to stop the video right here. Have a great day!